Look at the colors on this beautiful duck. She is gorgeous. It is, I know, you're so, oh, you're gonna come up and say hi. Hi. You gonna say hi? You're gorgeous, thank you. He's enjoying the food. Look at how precious they all are. Look at this one.
Throw some of that seed on.
He's got blue feet and they're large. Isn't he gorgeous? Ugh. So, y'all are all gorgeous. Got different ducks at this pond. We're enjoying our day. Yes, we got birds and ducks all around us. Look at him go. And then we got our blackbirds because, you know, our friends are always near us.